Thanks, awesome experience for stay in this hotel. The manager Mr. Moon is good person and very honest. Stay was good and room also very cleaned. Board exam. I booked this hotel because my board exam location was super near this hotel. I enjoyed my stay here. Good. 5-star. The staffs are so kind. The family room is big and clean. Very near to iconic places, train stations. The best. Exceptional, awesome place. Good. Exceptional, good, thumbs up emoji. Exceptional. The room is tidy and clean. The staff is nice and polite, well service, smiley face emoji. The bed is comfortable, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. Amazing, excellent customer service. TST stay. If you are not delicate about every details, the place is good. It's clean and it's safe. Close to many attractions. If you are on a budget, this is a must stay. Clean, cheap.